Do you want to know?
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time or stopping by, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. You're so amazing. Thank you for coming back and thank you for watching my videos. So in today's video, I'll be doing a full face makeup tutorial. You know, it has been a while I do a makeup video in this channel, so keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. My eyebrow first, then I'll move to the rest of the face. Now I love doing my brow first. Pencil, then brown pencil. Do I apply for To set my eyes, I use the Elegant concealer shade font to set the whole of my eye, and I'm using concealer brush to tap in very well. Make sure your eye is well set before applying your eyeshadow, or else you will have a very tacky eyeshadow. For my transition color, I'm using this shade here and this shade here, and I'm tapping it in. I'm done with my eyes. So right now I'm moving on with my face. My moisturizer. This is my moisturizer of all time. It's really good on my skin. That's why I always use it. So I'm using my Blizzyivy Skin Primer. So I wait for a few seconds before setting my face. So to set my face, I'm using this Revulation setting powder in banana. You have to press it on it while doing it. This method will work best for someone with oily skin. And I'm applying my foundation using this foundation brush. Wow, I really love this foundation. Not too much, not too dark on my skin. It's just a perfect shade for my skin. Mamma mia. So to blend in my foundation very well, I'm using my damp beauty blender. You have to make sure it's damp. This is the final look of this makeup tutorial. Hope you like it. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click on the red subscribe button down there and subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification icon so you don't miss any of my video. And also feel free to share with others, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.